The YouTube community is in mourning following the sudden passing of Nicole, Thea, a popular YouTuber on the social media platform. Hi again and welcome. This is the Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Popular YouTuber Nicole has passed away with her unborn child at age 24. The family of the late Nicole have stated that at this time they are very heartbroken. The dancer was just weeks away from her due date when she passed away suddenly on Saturday. She leaves behind partner Global Boga, who is age 20, whose real name is Jeffrey Frimpong. Her family have paid tribute to the star, who have more than 100,000 followers on her Instagram account. The pregnant YouTuber passed away on Saturday morning with her unborn son Rain in unknown circumstances. In a statement to the dancer's Instagram account on that morning, the family broke the news to her 105,000 followers. At the time, she was 8 months pregnant with her son when she passed away. In a post on the YouTuber Instagram account, it read, "To all Nicole supporters and friends and fans, it is with great sadness that I have to inform you that Nicole and her son Rain sadly passed away on Saturday morning." The popular street dancer turned influencer who lived in London with her partner was nearing her due date and had been sharing her pregnancy journey to her over 100,000 followers on Instagram and also her YouTube channel. Her partner, who is also a street dancer, Global Boga, who is age 20, and real name Jeffrey Frimpong, also posted videos of her dancing in early Saturday morning just before her passing. This has sent shockwaves throughout the entire YouTube community, and the family is very devastated at this time. The cause of her passing is still unknown, as she had posted previous videos stating that she had a good pregnancy. So it's very puzzling to her family and fans right across the world right now what could have transpired leading up to this. Her partner in the meantime have made the decision to upload pre-recorded YouTube videos that she had done before her passing, and these videos will be released simultaneously. Nicole pre-recorded a few videos, and Boca made the decision in order to release these to her many fans right across the world. The family at this time is asking for a bit of privacy as their hearts are truly broken and they are struggling to cope with this sad news. A video posted on July 8 to the couple's YouTube account saw them showing ratings for a maternity outfit. Nicole, who had more than 73,000 followers on YouTube, made videos about her live pregnancy and the journey with her boyfriend. In a recent video, the star said that she had been having a good pregnancy and spoke about how her partner stayed calm throughout the morning sickness. She further added that the worst thing about her pregnancy is that she's out of breath 24 hours. The pair announced the pregnancy in April with an Instagram post captioned, "We can't hide this any longer. Secrets out. God has given us the biggest blessing yet. I'm finally creating a beautiful little human being inside of me." The video that was also posted to Nicole's YouTube channel featured her sharing a behind-the-scenes look at her pregnancy shoot in a pot of milk. It was posted to her over 100,000 followers on her Instagram and also her YouTube account. Before her passing, the YouTube star would normally keep fans up to date as it relates to her pregnancy. Hundreds of fans have paid tribute to the YouTuber, with one supporter saying, "Nicole, I will always love you. I'm so sorry, baby. I'm so sorry." Another follower wrote, "I'm so sorry, my heart is broken at this time. You will be sadly missed." So those are just some of the posts made on social media about the passing of this young YouTube star, just 24 years old, and it's still unclear what transpired with her. But her fans right now are very shaken, and her family are very sad at this time based on the revelation that were made just on Saturday morning that the young YouTuber who had such a bright future ahead of her had suddenly passed away. We here at Links of 7 TV just want to take this opportunity to send our condolences to the family and friends of the late YouTube star Nicole, who, sad to say, passed away suddenly on Saturday morning. Details surrounding her passing is still unknown. However, the family is devastated at this time and they need you in their prayers. So this is the time where people need to just come together and try their best to see how well they can support the family, especially her fans on Instagram and also her fans on Facebook, who I know is having a difficult time, and also her YouTube platform. This is going to be a difficult time for them because she would normally keep fans up to date as it relates to her pregnancy and what she's going through on a daily basis to her over 100,000 followers on all social media platforms. It's a difficult time right now for everyone, and we here at Links of 7 TV just want to express our condolences once more to the family and friends of the late YouTube star. This is where we're gonna leave this one for now. This has been Links of 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're out for this one. Have a blessed and productive day.